Purr-fect. On one morning, a cat saw a bird in a tree. "Hello, bird," she said. "I like your song." The bird was pleased that the cat liked his song. He sang for the cat. "Perfect," said the cat, "and I like your feathers." The bird was pleased that the cat liked his feathers. He flew closer to the cat and fluffed up his feathers for her to see. "Perfect," said the cat, and I like the way you fly." The bird was pleased that the cat liked his flying, so he flew around the cat. "Perfect," said the cat, "but I wish I could fly like you." The bird was pleased that the cat and when
wanted
to fly like him. He flew down to the cat. He sang his song. He fluffed up his feathers. The cat jumped. "Perfect," she said, and she licked her face.
washed
Washed